having a bad morning, and I'm definitely going to be late to work. Who will get the first cup of coffee? Let's find out in a fair fight for the coffee maker. Where's my Jedi baguette? The house is full of morning hustle and bustle. Productivity is everything. There is so much to do. I don't know where to start. Oops, the chips fell. Poor things. I can't just throw them in the trash. I made a decision. Everything else can wait. Put a chip on each plastic lid. Apply some epoxy to the chips with a dropper. Cover the whole surface with epoxy. Make some holes with a thin drill. Excellent! And now you need earring fixtures, a little dexterity, and some moves with pliers. Wow! Chip earrings! They are so strange, but so cool! This accessory is perfect for a party. Your friend will want some of these too. Pringles style is super trendy these days. Haven't heard of this? Weird. Eating something delicious while scrolling through your Instagram feed? You know you do this every day. But while you surf the internet, don't surf away from being healthy. What's wrong? You lost your appetite? Yeah, just look at her abs. I want abs too. Well, of course. While you are online, she's working out. But how can I overcome my cravings? Roses, there's an idea. Ouch! It's prickly. Cut off a part of the stem the length of the fork. Apply some glue to the handle of the fork and attach the cut-off stem. You can only eat with this fork if you are very hungry. The spines literally pierce your fingers. Ow! No food is worth this much suffering. I guess I'll go on a diet. Why do the guys you hate always want to talk to you the most? So many calls! Ugh! How can I get rid of them? Okay, let's use a secret weapon. Take some fake eyelashes. Not to kill him with your beautiful eyes. No, stick them under your nose like a mustache. And now you can accept the video call to shock him with your new look. What, do I look different? I just haven't waxed in a long time. The guy is super shocked. His crush is a Charlie Chaplin cosplayer? He never expected this. Hopefully, now he leaves me alone. Waiting for a girl to get ready is a real test for a guy. But the worst thing is when she realizes at the door that she forgot her phone on the table. Taking off my shoes? No way! Girls have their secrets. Take a couple of hygienic pads and stick them on the soles. What are you doing? Are you serious? This life hack is shocking. There is one common problem that left-handed people have. You write with a pen and cover your whole hand with ink. It's a good thing your friend is super clean and tidy. Can I borrow a glove? Put a rubber glove on your hand. Cut off the excess. The glove won't keep you from writing, and your handwriting will still be neat. You can learn without being afraid of ink. A selfie under the Christmas tree is so cool, especially if you arrange a photo shoot together with a friend. But if that's not enough for you, and you want to take a really amazing photo, here's a life hack. Let's take masking tape and receipt paper. Attach the end to the tube of the roll. Attach the papers to the overhead light. For a spectacular effect, you will need approximately 10 rolls of receipt paper. And now, unwind the rolls and enjoy the stunning streamer. Don't forget to take a picture. Ah, look! We are in the middle of a paper snowstorm. Do you think it's weird? But it's so fun! And what else do you need for the holidays? Brr! It's so cold! A hat on your head, a scarf on your neck, but your poor nose is about to fall off from the cold. But your friend has a life hack. You will need a cloth bag and a matching rope. Cut off one of the corners with scissors. Hot glue the rope. Fasten the rope on your head and put your nose in the corner. Great! It doesn't matter that it looks a little odd. We look like birds. Down with stereotypes. We will become fashion trendsetters. Plants look sad in this weather. This dying bush, for example. But a can of paint will fix everything. Spray some green paint on the bush. Now it is evergreen, just like a Christmas tree. Haha, I think my friend didn't even notice. Studying is hard. By the end of the day, you were sick of all these notebooks, pens, textbooks. Ugh, a marker spoiled my manicure. A perfectionist's nightmare. What should I do? Use some creativity and finish the design. Use the same marker to draw a face on all your nails. Very cute nail art. Wow, this is so original! Sometimes you just want to lie down on the couch with your phone and headphones. They got all tangled up again. No! This is not how I imagined my moment of relaxation. It's starting to make me mad. You will need pieces of cable tubes. Put the headphone wires inside them. Close them. Of course it looks strange, but they won't get tangled anymore and you can just relax. When you go to a birthday party, you have to bring gifts. And also, well-behaved people take off their shoes when they enter a house. Oh man, it's so dirty here. Balloons will help. Put your foot on the balloon and deflate it so that it hugs your foot from all sides. Your super shoe covers are ready. They are stylish, they are fashionable, and your socks will stay clean. Clear eyeliner, long eyelashes. My makeup has never been this perfect before. I need clean hair for this makeup. A swimming mask will help. You can shower without being afraid of washing all your beauty away. Be braver! Don't be scared. The mascara won't start flowing. Let's check. Perfect! The makeup didn't suffer at all. It is always important for girls to look amazing. But what if you realize that you are missing something special and you don't have any accessories with you? No big deal. You will need zippers. Unzip them. Lay the clasps so they overlap, intertwining with each other. Make a grid like this. Glue them together. Cut off the upper parts of the zippers. Hot glue a Velcro fastener. The necklace is ready. Do you like it? Will you try to make one like this? Did you like our strange life hacks? Which one of them will you try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss any of Troom Troom Select's unusual and bright ideas.